Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'll be doing some giveaway today. I will give this Chachi Chechi thing, the table, this Jupiter, Bisonte Gold, and then I will give Extinct Tralalero to 3 lucky subscribers. So put your username in the comment and good luck. Hope you win this. And hope I get some supporting to my stealing. So this is my user, so just add me. My avatar is a tall guy. Okay, just add me and I will read your comments, and whoever I heart the comment, he is the one who will win. Okay guys, 3 lucky subscriber. Good luck. Goodbye.